Hello and welcome to our YouTube video and introduction to machine learning for blockchain developers. In this video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of machine learning and how it can be used in blockchain development. But first, let's start with the basic. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating algorithms that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. One of the most popular applications of machine learning is predictive analytics. For example, using historical data to make predictions about future events. But how does this relate to blockchain development? Blockchain is decentralized digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. It's used in a variety of industries including finance, healthcare, and logistics. One of the challenges of blockchain development is ensuring the accuracy and security of the data being recorded on the ledger. This is where machine learning can come in handy. By using machine learning algorithms, we can analyze the data on the blockchain to identify patterns and anomalies. This can help us improve the accuracy of ledger and prevent fraud and other types of attacks. But implementing machine learning in blockchain development isn't easy. It requires a strong understanding of both fields and the ability to integrate them seamlessly. That's why we've created this video to give you a brief introduction to the topic and provide some resources to help you get started. We hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to machine learning for blockchain developers. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.